Multiplication of algebraic expression. Multiplying monomial by monomial. Example 1. X into x. Here these two are monomials. In multiplication, x into x is x square. Here power of x is 1 and here also power of x is 1. Therefore, x raised to 1 plus 1 is equal to x square. In addition, x plus x is equal to 2x. Here, see the difference between addition and multiplication. Here, x into x is x square. And here, in addition, x plus x is 2x. So, we have to be careful about the operations. So, we have to see the sign first. Okay? Let us take next example. 3a into 4b into minus 2c. First we will be multiplying the numbers. 3 into 4 is equal to 12 into minus 2 is minus 24. Then write all the variables. That is minus 24 ABC. In multiplication we need not worry about the like and unlike terms. We should multiply all the numbers and all variables. One more important thing is we have to put the correct sign. Let us see the sign in multiplication. Plus into plus is equal to plus. For example, 2a into 3a is equal to 6a square. Minus into minus is equal to plus. For example, minus a into minus b is equal to plus ab. Plus into minus is equal to minus. For example, plus 4x into minus 6x is equal to minus 24x square. Minus into plus is equal to minus. For example, minus z square into 7z is equal to minus 7z cube. Multiplication of monomial by binomial. Example 1. 8a into 2a plus 4b. This one is the monomial and this one is binomial. 8 into 2 is 16. A into a is a square. 16a square plus 8 into 4 is 32. A into b is ab. 32 ab. That is 16a square plus 32 ab. Example 2. 3x square y square into x minus y. 3x square y square into x is 3x cube y square. That is 3x cube y square plus into minus is minus. 3x square y square into y is 3x square y cube. That is 3x cube y square minus 3x square y cube. Multiplication of binomial by a binomial. Example 1. Z minus 8 and 3z minus 4. Both are binomials. First we have to multiply by z into 3z. Again multiply z into minus 4. And then second term minus 8 into 3z. And once again multiply minus 8 into minus 4. I'll write it here. Z into 3z minus 4 minus 8 into 3z minus 4. Z into 3z is 3z square. Z into minus 4 is minus 4z. Here minus 8 into 3z is minus 24z. And here minus 8 into minus 4 becomes plus 32. That is 3z square minus 4z minus 24z plus 32. Here these two are like terms. We should add these two terms. Minus 4z minus 24z becomes minus 28z. So the answer will be 3z square minus 28z plus 32. Example 2. 2pq plus 3q square into 3pq minus 2q square. We should multiply with this term to these two terms and this term to these two terms. Let us see. 2pq in the bracket 3pq minus 2q square plus 3q square inside the bracket 3pq minus 2q square. That is 2pq into 3pq is 6p square q square. Then 2pq into minus q square is minus 4pq cube. Then plus 3q square into 3pq is 9pq cube. 3q square into minus 2q square is minus 6q square into q square is q raised to 4. That is minus 6q raised to 4. That is 6p square q square minus 4pq cube plus 9pq cube minus 6q raised to 4. These two are like terms. We should add these terms. That is 9pq cube minus 4pq cube is 5pq cube. So answer is 6p square q square plus 5pq cube minus 6q raised to 4. Simplify. X square minus 5 into x plus 5 plus 25. That is x square into x plus 5 minus 5 into inside the bracket x plus 5 plus 25. That is x cube plus 5x square minus 5x minus 25 plus 25. Here plus 25 and minus 25 are cancelled. Remaining are x cube plus 5x square minus 5x. Multiplication of binomial by a trinomial. Example: a plus 7 into a square plus 3a plus 5. We have to multiply a with this whole expression and multiply 7 with this whole expression. See here. A into inside the bracket a square plus 3a plus 5 plus 7 into inside the bracket a square plus 3a plus 5. That is a cube plus 3a square plus 5a plus 7a square plus 7 into 3a is 21a plus 7 into 5 is 35. We should add the like terms. Here 3a square plus 7a square are like terms. That is 10a square. And 5a plus 21a are another pair of like terms. That is 26a. So answer is a cube plus 10a square plus 26a plus 35. Multiplication of trinomial by a trinomial. Example: a plus b plus c into a plus b minus c. We can write a into a plus b minus c plus b into inside the bracket a plus b minus c plus c into a plus b minus c. That would be a square plus ab minus ac plus ab plus b square minus bc plus ac plus bc minus c square. Here AC, BC, these are, we should write it in alphabetical order. Now we add like terms. That is AB plus AB is equal to 2AB. And we can cancel plus BC and minus BC. And minus AC plus AC. Now remaining expression is a square plus b square minus c square plus 2ab, right?
Thanks for watching. Keep learning and keep practicing.